Hello guys, welcome to this third broadcast Design Your Life. My name is Hervé Micha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. Today we are going to talk about design, skills and investment. Let's get started. Today let's talk about the DJI OM4 SE. I got the product this morning. I'm so excited to discover this industrial design product. When I started my YouTube channel, I thought to buy some things to improve my editing videos after to experience basic and practical technicals tutorials with my smartphone and tripod. I looked for a practical accessory I really need this year for my next YouTube video. So it's a pleasure to share you my opinion about this new product DJI OM4. Let's talk about it. If you are interested by industrial design and video making, you are in the good place. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, I invite you to comment below. Currently, there's a lot of interesting similar products you can find in the market to edit your videos, self-videos, vlogs, travel and road trip videos. If you are a beginner and you want to start video making, maybe you want to become a YouTuber. If you are a professional cinematic films maker, you'll probably need professional tools and programs to design and edit your cinematic films. In the market, there's different versions of DJI OM4 SE. We certainly compare this product with DJI OM3 and 5. You can find all the link below in the description. So let's open this package. First of all, the box has a good design, very simple and intuitive. Here we have the manual, and there we see the operating mode with simply schematics. Then we have this grip tripod included in the box with this black USB cable. Then we have this magnetic phone clamp we need with each phone. Here we have this magnetic rings holder you need with a smaller size of phone. The important things we have is this gimbal. Now we unfold the gimbal . And you can see here the magnetic part to align the phone. Here we have the gimbal arm. Now let's see the button operation. We use onboard button to control DJI OM4 SE. Don't forget to download DJI Mimo to control your camera. DJI has 4 important functions. First, you need to move the joystick up and down to control the tilt axis. If you move the joystick to the left and to the right, you can control the pan axis. Press once on the shutter button to take a photo or to start or stop recording. If you press and hold in photo mode, you do burst shooting. The M button is here. If you press once, the gimbal check battery level. If you press and hold, is the power on. When the gimbal is on, press once to switch between landscape and portrait mode. Press and hold until it beeps. Once to enter or exit standby mode, press and hold until it beeps twice to power off. Here you have the zoom slider. You just have to push up or down to zoom in or out. There is a trigger here. You have to press and hold to enter lock mode. You have to release to exit lock mode. Then press once if you want to start or stop active track. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to switch between front and back camera. Press once and then press and hold to enter sport mode and release to exit sport mode. You can use a gimbal with or without the tripod, and you have a storage pouch including the packaging. Take your gimbal anywhere you want. Even DJI is a little bit huge to put it in your pocket. You can take it in a bag, so no problem. The test of the DJI OM4 is pretty interesting. Everything is working, and I think buy this industrial design product is a pretty good investment for my future YouTube projects. If you don't know, the price is around 99 euros and you can easily find it in every market. My shows is focused on the advantage of the DJI OM4 because I want to experience these products and to improve my video making skills, and I know I need times for it. I'm so excited to use it. I will do a feedback about this industrial design product next time. So I think DJI OM4 is very interesting for everyone who wants to start video making. We can compare this product with DJI OM3 and 5. You can find the link below in the description. Tell me in comment which gimbal you have. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you like it. And if you have any questions about industrial design, skills and investment, comment below. See you to the next podcast. Bye!